Welcome to Brick Shack. This is our portable infrared light. So basically you can't see the light this creates with your own eyes, and you can't see it with a standard camera. This is for use if you want to record in night vision. You want to go around filming in the dark, so the camera can see but you can't. So for that you need a night vision camera or a full spectrum camera, either of which has had the infrared light filter removed in order to be able to pick up the infrared light. So we do have some bigger, more powerful models, but this is the small, lightweight, compact one. So it takes two AA batteries, and it is quite bright for its size. Another good thing about this is, because it's got the hot shoe mount, you can connect it directly to most cameras. And if you've got a rig that holds your camera with a hot shoe, it usually will clip on with this hot shoe mount. It's also got the female hot shoe on all three sides. So if you buy more of these, you can attach one to each side, so you could potentially have four. So if the battery runs flat, you can switch this one off and turn another one on, or if you need more light, you can switch all four on, or any combination. So it really is a handy light. So the batteries go in the back, so you've got two AA, and this is the power switch, which also acts as the brightness. So one small click turns it on, and the further you rotate it clockwise, the brighter it gets. So I'll just turn it on dimly. I'll not shine it in my eyes, because although I can't see the light with my eyes, it will be damaging my eyes if I look at it directly. So I'll just tilt it away from my eyes. On a standard camera, that's all you'll see, because the camera I'm filming on, by default, like most cameras have, has an infrared filter, which stops the infrared light coming into the camera's lens. So that's why you can't see the light on this camera. You'll just see it as a small light. But if I had an infrared camera, obviously the whole screen would be white because it'd be blinding it. So if you're interested in one of these, I'll leave a link in the video description, and thanks for watching.